Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to give you a quick but also in-depth tutorial of the standing side bend posture found in yoga. You're going to start with your toes together and your heels about an inch apart in a mountain pose. Bring your arms overhead, interlace your fingers, and point your index fingers straight up. Internally rotate your arms so that your biceps start to wrap toward the back. Press down into the balls and the heels of your feet. And then inhale to get as tall as you can, and as you exhale, lean toward your right side. Hips are going to press lightly toward the left in the opposite direction. Your goal here, as you inhale, you're going to get taller and longer, and as you exhale, increase the depth of your bend. You're going to keep that push and pull up. So again, as you inhale, get taller. As you exhale, get deeper. You want to maintain engagement through your core and your thighs. So you're squeezing your thighs as you do this. You're squeezing your arms, and you're staying as tall as you can with your arms locked out. And that's it. If you're looking for more information on this pose, such as the benefits, what you should and should not be feeling, some common errors to avoid, and also some FAQs, make sure to check out the full pose tutorial on my website at manfulyoga.com. The link will be in the description below. All of the information I just gave you is taken directly from my book, Yoga Fitness for Men, which is a #1 new release in 3 categories on Amazon, was featured in Men's Health Online, and also in the Muscle and Fitness magazine. You can buy it anywhere in the world, online and in stores. More information at the bottom of this page. For more information on the standing side bend, make sure to check out all of the other videos and information we have on this page. Things like what you should and should not be feeling, common errors to avoid, and also FAQs answered. Again, that's all on this page here on the Manful Yoga website. Make sure to check it out. And if you're looking for more, resources or programs or workouts to actually get started with yoga and start seeing results, check out the training and the members area section of this website. Tons of videos and programs to help you get started and actually see results. Thanks for being on the website. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you on the next one.